Hello, welcome again guys to this Lua tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to be making a secret or string to code to secret code converter like that. So first, let's create the file. Let's call this secret coder Lua. Okay, so this is going to be pure Lua, no love to this tool. So first, let's create a sample string. So string sample, which will be hi, my name is Brandon. Okay, so I'll explain in a bit what will happen. So here we have a table called secret code. Okay, so in this table you're going to put the secret code for each letter. Let's say we want to use the jejemon trend. The jejemon trend here in the Philippines was very phenomenal. Young people texted with let's see, like instead of writing Brandon like that, they type B, capital R, and then H, and then instead of A they use 4, and then N, and then D, and then instead of O they use O, and then N, like that, and with random capitalization. Okay, so jejemon code sample. Okay, so this is here we can use the key of the table will be the original text or the original character we want to change, and inside the value will be, you can use a table, so can be randomized. So let's say A can be 4, or A can be AH, or HA, like that, or something just like okay, that's good. So next, I think we need I, so I can just be letter or number 1. I know it's pretty weird, but hey, it's the Philippines. So okay, so for E we have we have 3, and then next letter we have O, which will be 0, and then we have S, which can either be X or XH or SH, something like that. Okay, so next we're going to create the function. I'm just going to use this local, so string to table. Okay, so we need first to create this. So what we want to do is to convert this string sample str sample, this string variable into a table that contains each character. So first let's create a table, and then let's return that, and then here we have string g sub. You can check the Lua library for this string, for their string library, and then this means for every character, it's not only the dot. Okay, so this is the regex, the regular expression of every character, each character. And then we want is to apply the function, which we will get the character of that, and then insert that character into the table. Okay, so you can check the Lua string library for that G sub global sub function. Okay, so if we check this, let's say print let's say print string to table, and then let's pass the string sample. We should get a table, right? So, and then if we iterate over that for key value in pairs, and then okay, so string. Okay, so let's just name this table string. Okay, I know my name, the variable naming sucks, but let's just do this for now. Okay, so if we print key and value there, as you can see here, each key is equal to each character, so even the space is counted. So that's what we want, right? So let's close this for now. Let's remove this for now. Okay, so next here's we're going to create a function. So let's name this secretify, like make it secret. So we need is a string. Next we want to convert the passed string into a table. So will be string, and then next we want is to iterate over that for key value in pairs, do, and then if that letter matches a key in the secret code table here, means we want to do something else. If let's say here in the sample, hi, my name is Brandon, we have the letter M, right? In the first, second, third, fourth, in the fifth iteration of this for loop, we will get the value M. So we want to check if this character M, if the secret code table has an index or has a key for M. As you can see, it doesn't have any M, so we will go to this else scope. So else, then just do nothing. Okay, so just do nothing. So we want to change the table itself, the content of the table. Okay, so next what we want to do is, let's say for example we have this A character matches one of the index here in secret code, but since it can the letter can either be a table or a string, we want to deal with that. So if the type of that secret code V is a table, like for A example, else if it is not a table, it's just a regular string, or is there not a regular string? Never mind. So what we want to do is we want to randomize it, right? So we want to get a random value. So let's say we have A, we want to randomly get 4 or AH or HA. So we want to start from 1, and we want to get the max length of that table, and then what we want to do is K is equals to secret code V, and then inside that V it is still a table, so we want to access R, which is the randomized. So here let's just remove this. Okay, so after we modify the table, as you can see, we pass the string and then we convert that string into a table, and then, or not exactly convert it, but we dump each character from the string into a table, and then we want to return that table. So we want to return the concatenated. So since table is all string, we want to concatenate all of that content so we can see it. When we print it, it's not in table form but rather in a string form. So secretify and then string sample, and then let's run that. Let's clear the screen first. So as you can see, it's now h1 my nham3 ext. Okay, so that's how easy it is. You can add more here. You can add more, let's say add more index here, like when we see a space, we want to convert that into underscore. I don't know if this will work. Oh nah, yeah, it didn't, because let's see if this will work, the string literal, and yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, so that's it. You can try other more, just replace this content of the table here. And another thing is you can add another logic here. Let's say if you want to randomize, if you want it to be uppercase or not. So that's how easy it is. So I hope you learned something, and I hope you find it useful, and like the video and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials or guide or whatever. So see ya.